Today I am live before you. If you have any problem in English, you can share. I think it will be solved. I hope you will be fine. Please add yourself. Join the channel. There are many topics on my channel. Please watch all these videos. If you have any problem, you can share. How are you? Please comment. I'm very happy today. I'm with you. If you have any problem in English, undoubtedly it will be solved. My dear students, what topic would you like to understand today? I hope it will be very easy to you to understand. Oh, my cute daughter, she is enjoying with me. She always makes me happy when I am disturbed.